Editing drawing views. Drawing views can be edited like any other object. They can be moved, rotated, etc. We have the View Edit command, and that can be found when we go to our Layout tab. And in our Layout tab, I can go pick on a particular object, and I can say View Edit, for example, and I can edit this view. So right up here I can say, oh, I want to edit the view, and so I can edit the view. I can pick the view I want to edit, and then from here I can make changes such as my scale and my hidden lines. I can go from hidden lines here and say I want to go shaded with visible lines, and I can just then do this particular view. I don't have to do all views that way, and so I can say exit, and so I can come back and say edit view. I can pick on this view. I can say scale, and I can change the scale. I could grab onto it by the grips if I wanted to and pull them by the grips, or I can just key in a value, and I'll go with something like, I'm at like 0.5, so I'll go like 0.3. I'll hit enter, and I made it a little bit smaller. And I can also right click on these things. I can get some options this way as well. So I can exit, right? And so I can pick on any one of them, and I can rotate, I can scale, I can move, etc. So I can do whatever type of things I really want. But if I just pick on one and I get this drop down there, I get scales. Okay, but if I grab it by this blue grip, I can move the position. Now whenever I move the position, it must be projected. I can't get it out of being projected, but I can move it in any direction, and so I'll kind of line it up a little better that way, and I can kind of come over here, grab it by the grip, and I can move it by the grip any way I want. So I could change the scales if I wanted to. Right now it's from the parent, but I could say it's a different scale if I really needed to. But I could edit these drawing views, so I can stretch these out left and up and down, left and right on these other views, but it will stay in alignment with the parent view, which is my front view over here. And I can change, so I can go edit view, I can pick on this view, and I can do things whatever I need to do at this point in time for this particular view if I wanted to change this view. So when I'm done, I just said OK. So editing the drawing views, these things are objects and can be edited, and so we want to use the edit view to do that.